The newest thing out there right now that's really starting to take off, unlike when it first started, is how can you get more views on your videos? If you came to this video because you have 0 views on your video, or maybe your views are trending low and you want to know how to turn that around, keep watching. So hey, what's up guys? My name is Quincy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I teach you on tips and tricks for social media, and of course we've been talking about TikTok. Why? Because it's the hottest platform out right now. So if your views are going down and you're wondering what's going on, I know you're probably hearing different things like the algorithm has changed. I'm going to show you something that you probably didn't realize. That's going to be toward the end, but first and foremost, posting frequency. How often are you needing to post, or should you be posting, especially right now going into December, the end of 2020, but into January 2021? It used to be post as much as you can, post as many videos as possible to try and help you land on the For You page. However, that's definitely changed, and you want to post, I want to say about 3 times a day. One in the morning, afternoon, and late evening when everyone's on their phones scrolling in bed about to crash in for the night. It is possible now to post too much because lately TikTok has been reviewing videos, screening videos to make sure that there is nothing in there hidden or content that doesn't need to be exposed out there to the platform. And so posting too much, you will see that a lot of your videos will have 0 views or even low views, while the one you posted 4 hours ago is the one that's kind of, gaining traction. And so posting so many videos right now, not necessarily a good thing, and it doesn't work like it used to. So once again, to recap, I would check your analytics and see what videos are doing well for you. Now, one of the reasons why your videos aren't getting a lot of views lately is because most of us are not doing the research. We're posting so much content because we've heard that now TikTok is paying with the creator fund, and so now we're just posting random things. But if you do the research and scroll on the For You page, matter of fact, let's do that. Let's take 5 videos and see what 5 videos have in common. Here we go.
You're not looking for me!
Okay, now right away, that video right there is an ending that you didn't expect. So let's count that as 1. An ending you didn't expect. Now, I'm not going to watch the rest of this video, but I can tell you right away, this is a shock factor. This is suspense. Caught you way off guard, and we don't even really need to say why. A little tongue-tied right there. Let's just scroll past that one. But you got a shock ending, something you didn't expect, and this one right here caught you off guard. Just, oh, snap. White girls, black girls.
Run.
Turn your big ass around and get the fuck back to your fucking seat.
Okay, now I don't do the cussing, but obviously, same thing. An ending you didn't expect where he got slapped, and he's a black guy and he tries to go for, white girls, and, anyway, apparently he needs to be with a black girl. I don't know, but you kind of see already that these first 3 videos have something similar in common, to where it's on the For You page. It's landing on the For You page, and the likes weren't like, super high. You can see he's gaining traction right now with almost 5,000 likes.
Read the peanut right here. Right now we getting somewhere. Okay, Pam, how much food you got stored up in your cheeks?
Okay, now obviously this is an audio, and he looks just like Martin Lawrence, but hey, Pam, how much food do you have stored up in your cheeks? Not in your closet, not in your pantry, in your refrigerator, but in your cheeks. It's stuff that's catching people off guard. That's like, oh wow, I didn't expect that. 19,000 likes. Hey guys, if you want your video to get a lot of views, if you really want to land on the For You page, think of an idea, think of a video. Maybe go ahead and record the video and then watch it over and over, and then realize, okay, I could have did this, I could have did that. That's what I end up doing after I've already posted a video. And so now going forward, what I really try to do is, if I'm going to record a skit, I try to record that skit, save it in my draft, watch it over and over and over. You know what? I could have added this part. I could have, oh, that part would have been funny. You know, so I don't know if you're dancing, if you're doing the trends, or what it is that you're doing, but record it, save enough time to maybe record it about 3 or 4 more times, but analyze the first 2 or 3 and see, man, what else can I do? How much more of me can I put in this before I really commit to editing and then uploading? This is going to give your videos more views, almost want to say more bang for the buck, but more views for the video. That's what it really is. All right. Now I'm going to be frank and tell you, hashtags do not matter. I've seen a ton of videos that have over 1 million views with no hashtags. And what it really boils down to is if you are capturing the viewer's attention in those first 5 seconds, actually the first 3 seconds. If you are doing something in the video that is causing the person to want to stay after 3 seconds to see what else is about to happen, you're doing good. You're doing something right. And so you can use a hashtag. You know, it matters in the sense of if someone clicks on that hashtag, they get to see all the videos in that genre. But if you're trying to make your video go viral, using a hashtag will not make your video go viral. Using a hashtag will get you some more views, but it's not using FYP or you know, using a particular hashtag that's going to make your video go viral. No, the content is what's going to make your video go viral. The content, the meat, the nuts and bolts of the video. Lately, I don't know if you've noticed, but there has been a thing called delayed views within the last month or 2, maybe even 3, where I'd post a video and ever since the creator fund, it wouldn't take off like it used to, but I noticed in the next couple of days, you know, the views just started going up. And it still ended up being a 3,000 like video, a 4,000 like video. But usually I would get 3,000 likes within a few hours. So it's not just you, I'm experiencing it also. And you know what it is there's new people joining the app daily by the thousands, by the hundreds of thousands, because now they know that TikTok is paying creators and they want a piece of that, you know, creator fund. Get rid of the old thinking that when you post a video, it has to go viral within the first few hours. When you post a video, your mindset should be, do I like the quality of this video? Is it edited the way that I want it to look? Is the lighting right? Did I nail that TikTok or that trend? Am I ready to post? What time is it? Is it morning, afternoon, evening? All right, it's about that time, and here we go and post. And hey, you know what? Don't even think about it. You know, if you post a video and it doesn't get the likes you want in the first, you know, hour, don't delete the video, because now there's a thing called delayed views. Now, if you came this far, what I've been wanting to tell you is the newest thing out there right now that's really starting to take off, unlike when it first started, is video replying to comments. Video replying to comments left on your videos. That is the newest trending thing that people are now using as the norm to create their TikToks. It used to be, oh, let me try this feature, let me do this. You know, everybody was like, how do you really operate this? And, you know, is it really gonna be, you know, something? But when you take a comment that is really crazy or funny on one of your videos, and you now use that to create a whole new TikTok, you have unlimited ideas on videos that you can make or even now create, and they're handed to you. People are giving you videos to come up with because of the comments they're leaving. But hey guys, these are ways that you can get your video views to increase, you know, and some of the reasons why your views are down is because now we're posting a lot of videos on any given day was acceptable at one time. Now flooding TikTok with so many views is getting you 0 views, because now TikTok is reviewing videos because so many people are uploading content that's not theirs, and now they're screening videos to see what's in the video. You know, is there anything in the description that, you know, is flagging your video? If you want to get around that, I'm telling you right now, duet videos with over 1 million likes, stitch videos, which is one of the hottest things that everyone's doing right now. And also, as I just mentioned, video reply to comments right now is taking off. So if you really want to expand your likes and your followers, that is the #1 thing right now that is trending, is video replying to your comments, whether they're crazy comments, funny comments, rude, mean comments, and people hearing what your thoughts are on the comments that are left on your video. Alright guys, so hopefully this video can give you some type of insight and something that you can apply right now. If you haven't already, comment on this video. Let me know, what are your thoughts? What are you thinking right now? What's going through your head? Is this something that you can use, something that you're able to implement right now before you make another TikTok? If you haven't already, subscribed to the channel. As always, share this video with someone else who can benefit from it, and I will see you on the next video.